Hello, my name is Rashid Mohammed. I'm going to Kitumondo Secondary School. Today we are going to present a traditional food from Mafia Island in Tanzania, and it is known as ubwabwa and chukuchuku. And ubwabwa in English we call it as rice, and chukuchuku is called as soup. So what we need is some ingredients, and these are the rice, coconuts, so as to make a coconut rice, and in soup we need some mangoes, onions, tomatoes, and what we call green pepper, and lemons, and the fish itself, so that we're gonna make a soup. And this is how we're gonna make it.
Hello, my name is Aisa. I cook for Wali Chukuchuku. The way is cooking, it is like this. We have rice, coconuts, salt, chuku, we have puti, mango, fish, onion, and the tomatoes. I am finished for foodie. It is nice, delicious, amazing.
Just take even the samaki.
You know that is salt is added for taste of food.
Hello, this food is very good for your health because it provides energy to you, so that during the provision of energy we get in the carbohydrates, and another one, it develops hearing capacity, which stimulates our sensory organs. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful, yummy, fantastic, and classical.